Hi, I'm Noel Kennedy. I'm from Shore to Sea Properties Group, and we're brokered by EXP. I just wanted to show you guys today a fun trick that I learned about how to use lead forms in Facebook ads to generate organic and free leads. To save some time, I've already created a campaign and an ad, and so we're going to go ahead and click on it. Here we go. And we would set it up normally like any other Facebook ad with the special housing category. We're going to do an instant form. We're not going to worry about budget because we're going to do this for free. Enables us to do this for free is to turn around and to date it ahead by several days or even a week. And now we're going to go to the ad creatives. Like I said, I've already done this ahead of time. We're going to create a form. Actually, what we're going to do is I've made a form ahead of time, and we're going to duplicate it. In the settings, we're going to make sure that it's open and not the default restricted. Okay, we want more volume for the form type. We use the same picture from the ad. We are going to name our form and then give instructions to clients. The questions, it's just asking whether you want a full name, email, or phone number. And so those are what we had chosen. And then in the privacy policy, I use the link from our IDX website, and then you just name it privacy policy. And then we're going to do our final headline saying, thanks, you're all set. And check out the list of homes by clicking below. The button, it was originally named View Website, but we're going to change that to View List of Price Reduced Homes, which is what my ad is about. And this link here is the squeeze page that we made in kvCore. Now you want to make sure that wherever you make your squeeze page, that you turn off any pop-ups or any requests to fill out forms for names and email addresses and phone number, because you're accomplishing that with this form. And double check everything is correct because you cannot edit a Facebook form. So we are going to publish it. And then we're going to publish our ad. We're going to go to All Tools, to Page Posts, to Add Posts. I don't know why I wanted to do that, but there we go. Make sure that you are on the ad account that you're working in. And here is our ad. And what we want to do in the actions is hit publish. Yes, please publish it. Now we're going to go back to our business Facebook page, and we're going to refresh it. And here's our ad post. And people clicking the learn more, they will get the form to fill out. You can pin this post to your featured items. And you also can share in your feed. You can also turn around and share it to your personal page. You can share it to a feed. You can share it to a group. And we work Facebook groups for another type of organic lead generation. So we would post these in that place as well. Now, the last important thing that you need to do is you need to go back to your ad account, your ad manager. And you need to turn the ad off. And that is what prevents you from being billed. And that's the magic. The other piece of magic, which is important, is to turn around and connect your lead form to your CRM. In kvCore, you would do that with API Nation or with other CRMs. You would turn around and do it with Zapier, or you may have a direct connection. If you have any questions, go ahead and let me know, and I'd be glad to answer them for you. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy using this trick and you end up with several new clients. Thank you.